Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Buli. My today's seminar topic on sequence and introduction to list. Contents: introduction, creating list in Python, accessing elements in a list, modifying list in Python, list operations and methods, list comparison in Python, nested list in Python. Coming to conclusion. Introduction to list sequence in Python. Sequences in Python are ordered collection of items that can be different types. What is sequence? In Python, a sequence is a collection of objects arranged in a particular order. A sequence can be either a list or tuple or strings. Sequences are iterable, meaning you can loop over the elements in a sequence one by one. Types of sequences in Python: strings, list, tuples, byte sequences, byte array, range object. List, tuples, and strings are examples of the sequence in Python. Lists are mutable, meaning their elements can be modified. Creating a list in Python. List in Python are different using square brackets. Elements in a list can be different types of data types. List can contains duplicate elements. String string is nothing but strings are used for replacing textual data. Strings is sequence of characters enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. List a data structure in Python that is a mutable or changeable order sequence of elements. Tuples. Tuples are a type of data structure that is very similar to list. The main difference between tuples are mutable. Byte sequence a digital information unit that typically consists of 8 bytes. 8 bytes of each element consists of 0 or 1. Byte arrays. Method of returns a byte array object in Python, which is an array of given bytes. Arrange object, a function that returns a sequence of numbers. Accessing elements in a list in Python has a great built-in list type method. It list literable or written within square brackets. List works similar to strings. Use the length function and square brackets to accessing data with the list elements at the index 0. Subobject of elements from a list. Elements in a list are accessed using their index starting from 0. Negative indexing can be used to accessing elements from the end of the list. Ceiling can be used to exact. Indexed position A, B, C, D, E. Indexed number from right end. -4, -4, -3, -2, -1. Characteristic list 5, 3, 2, 1. Modifying list elements in Python. Elements in a list can be ordered using the append method. Elements can be removed using methods like remove or pop. List can be concatenate using the plus operators. List operations and methods. The length of the function can be used to find the length of a list. The in and not in operations can be used to check for the presence of an elements in a list. The sort method can be used to sort elements in a list. List operation or the operation that can be performed one of the data in the list data structure. List comparison in Python. List comparison provides a concise way to create list in Python. They can include conditions for filtering elements. List comparison can be a powerful tool for creating and manipulating lists. List comparisons, output, collection, and conditions. X plus 1 for X in range 5. If X in X percentile 2 is equal to 2. Do this for this collection in this situation. List comparison in a Python. A Python list comparison consists of brackets contains the expression which is executed for each elements along with the for loop to iterate over each element in the Python list. Nested list in Python. A list can be contains other list as elements, creating nested list. Nested list can present multiple decimals data structure. Accessing elements in nested list require multiple index operations. Nested list can be hold any objects, list or objects. Therefore, list can be hold other list. B is equal to 3, 1, C is equal to 1, 4, 1, 4, B. A is equal to 2, 1, X is equal to 1, A, C, B. X is equal to 1, 2, 1, square brackets, 1, 4, square brackets, 5. These are the examples. Coming to conclusion, list are every sequence of Python has ordered index set represented by the non-negative numbers. Indexing allowing list to be iterable, meaning that you can accessing the each elements in the list in the order in which they appear in the list object. Python builds in a function length returns the total number of items of the sequences. They supports various operations like adding, removing, and accessing elements. Understanding list is essential for efficient data manipulating in Python. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.